In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a REDCap project. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account and you want to click on the project you wish to copy. So I'll just use this one, this tutorial project over here. And then when you click on it and you enter your dashboard, you want to go to up top where it says other functionality. So in here, you'll see a bunch of options, and if you scroll down, there's this button which says copy the project. And when you click on it here, you'll be able to basically make a exact copy of the project. So just give it a name. I'm going to name this one tutorial project and then copy just to know. And then again, you can set your purpose and notes. And this is basically just like when you're creating a new project. And then you can select here where it says also copy the following, and you could do all records and all settings and stuff like that. So I'm going to leave this like that. Of course, if you have like anything else set up, you could go and check mark or uncheck it if you want to, completely up to you, and then just click on copy project. It's gonna start working, and there we go. This is the copied project. As you can see, I'm currently in it, and if you go to my project, you'll see, there we go, we have the copy project over here. That's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.